When you're settled into your new home, the last thing you want to do is renovate. In today's Ask Angie segment, we get insight on which projects you should do before moving into a new home.
Renovating your new home is the best way to personalize it to your exact needs and preferences, but you may not know where to start. Rachel Zeppernick, interior home expert at Angie, is here to walk us through projects that should be done before moving into a new home.
If your new kitchen needs upgrades, try to get them done before you move in. A nice kitchen can make all the difference in your new home. However, kitchen renovations can be a very stressful and disruptive process. For example, you may not be able to cook or store food or appliances during the entire process. So again, it's best to get it done before you move in.
Bathroom remodels can also be very inconvenient for homeowners, especially if you're moving into a single bathroom home. You will probably need to stay out of the bathroom until renovations are complete, which can take weeks. However, depending on the work you need done, your renovations may be less invasive. Talk to your pro beforehand and ask them if you should renovate your bathroom before moving in.
Installing new floors is much cheaper and easier if your home is already empty. You can skip the process of having to move out all of your furniture and go right to the process of removal and installation of the new floors. Luckily, when you work with the right pro, installing new floors should be a relatively quick process that takes a few weeks at most, so it shouldn't delay your move-in date too long.
If you want to paint the interior of your new home, try doing it before you move in. Like installing new flooring, the painting process goes by much quicker if the rooms are already empty. This is also a great time to check for lead paint or remove unwanted popcorn ceilings.
I recommend hiring a cleaning service to deep clean your new home before you move in, especially after any major projects. They'll clean every last crevice, including areas that often don't get enough TLC, like the interior of your cabinet and appliances. They'll also make sure to remove any remaining debris from your move-in projects. Now you'll have a fresh start, and all you have to do is move your belongings into your clean, new home.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Well, tweet them using the hashtag #AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.